Hey everyone, just wanted to give you another short video of the reminders for day 4 of our class together. So we are officially in day 4 out of 5. So as you all probably remember, so far we've talked a little bit about kind of like understanding time management and your learning style and how to manage your stress as you enter college. We've also talked about how you should choose a career or major. Yesterday we did understanding the transfer process. And now that we're in day 4, we're going to talk about academic counseling and how to maintain academic standing. So part of this class, it's required for us to cover, what you have to do to make sure you stay in good standing as a college student. So we talk about, let me share my screen actually. So yeah, I have a lot of great content here on the college catalog and how to stay in good standing. So pretty much as long as we have the requirements, as long as you're maintaining a 2.0 GPA and you're passing at least a half to 3/4 of the units that you attempt, you're not going to have any issues. But it's really important to understand what you have to do to make sure that you stay in good standing as a student here at Glendale College. So I have information on like understanding what is probation, all of this you should go over. How you can calculate your GPA, how to ask for help and where you can go to, what kind of resources we have. And I also have some information on taking effective notes. And habits for successful college students. 'Cause I think sometimes when students struggle academically, it could be because they don't have good habits as a college student, or maybe they're not doing a good job at taking solid notes in their classes. It just depends. But as we have had every day, there are 3 things that you're responsible for. So the first thing is a note-taking and academic standing quiz, where I ask you questions based off the content that I covered. The second thing, which is an assignment that you have due today, is a scavenger hunt. So basically, it's asking you some questions that I want you to answer. What's a prerequisite? Where is the Veteran Resource Center located? So have like some different questions. All of this is information that we've covered, but is also specifically in the catalog. So I want you to become familiar with how to use the college catalog. So I have the link here, and this opens up the catalog. So it's pretty simple. It says, what is a prerequisite? List down the prerequisite for Chemistry 101. If y'all don't know, it's a PDF, so you can do Control F and you can search the document and put Chemistry 101 there and read what the prerequisite is. So I can show you in particular, like let's say I asked you, what's the prerequisite for physical geology? There's no prerequisite actually. Let's see, let's pick one that there is a prerequisite for. How about like, let's see, I'm trying to find one with a prerequisite. A lot of them say recommended preparation. A lot of the courses that say recommended preparation don't have a specific prerequisite, just saying, hey, we recommend that you have this particular class before you take something else. But let me find one that I know has a prerequisite. Here we go, Chemistry 121. Prerequisite says Chem 120. So in order to take this class, Chemistry 121, you have to have Chemistry 120 first. So sometimes students come to us hey, Molly, I am having trouble registering this class. It's giving me an error and says I don't meet the prerequisite. You can click on the catalog and figure out, okay, what is the prerequisite for this class? Why am I not able to register? So the catalog is great. And you can look up all this information. It's in the catalog, and I even have an extra credit question in here for you. And then the last thing that you're responsible for today is this discussion post on what are your study habits. It's important to kind of think about what your study habits are. So I have a video here that I want you to watch. And then I basically give you instructions on what I want you to talk about. So after watching that video, I want you to share, you're going to keep your study habits the same, or are they going to change? And talk a little bit more about your study habits. That's it for today, day 4. If you have any questions, as always, please let me know. But we're flying through this class together. So yeah, like I said, if you have any questions, please let me know.